Okay, y'all, it's Chris here from Isothermal Community College. We're going to be talking about my least favorite process, which is a gas MIG, which, is a light duty auto body, thin gauge steel, non stainless exhaust for a car. Can be done with this kind of MIG. It's mostly for beginners, hobbyists. It's the easiest one to learn, but the first thing you need to know is it's a direct current electropositive. That means your negative is your ground cable. Okay, it's for thin gauge steel. It's good for hobbyists and beginners due to its easy use, but you have to have gas. You have to have a shielding gas, and the shielding gas we use is a 25% carbon dioxide, 75% argon. You have to have that gas mixture at isothermal to weld that kind of MIG. So it's the most common welding process among welders because I don't want to say it takes the least amount of skill, but it is the easiest. It's the easiest. You could watch a YouTube video and learn how to do it. As long as you have your machine set up right and your ground cable hooked up in the right place, you got a good tip on it, and like your cup isn't all dirty and stuff, and your wire feed is feeding like it's supposed to. If the machine is working like it's supposed to and your gun is working like it's supposed to, it's the easiest process to learn. It's my least favorite because you use it with thin gauge, and it's actually a little bit difficult when you're doing an open B groove and you're trying to fill the center in with that kind of MIG, because I like to punch my roots in when I'm doing a welding process. Like, for instance, stick, if I'm putting my root in, I like to make sure my root is punched in there, maybe not exceeding the 1/8 inch excessive fill, but I want to make sure that it is in there. There's no question whether it's fused or not. I do the same thing with flux core. I make sure it is punched in there. You can't really do that with the thin gauge MIG, the gas MIG, because you'll burn straight through it. You have to have them settings dialed in right, and it's however fast you move and what kind of motion you're making. It's all dependent on the welder. You've got to set it to how you weld.